Ecosystem. In this video, we are going to look at Introduction to Ecosystem, Role of Sun in the Ecosystem, Concept of Respiration and Photosynthesis, Role of Insects in Seed Dispersal. An ecosystem consists of plants, animals, and a variety of other living organisms, all of which rely on each other for survival in some way. They also depend on the surrounding environment they live in, that includes soil, water, air, sunlight, and temperature. The sun and plants. The sun is the primary source of energy for Earth. When sunlight reaches Earth, some of its energy is absorbed by the atmosphere, including clouds. Also, some of the sun's energy is reflected back into space, whilst the rest of the energy reaches Earth. Plants depend on sunlight to make their food during photosynthesis. They also produce carbohydrates and proteins during this process of photosynthesis, and stores the sun's energy in these two organic molecules. Besides plants, algae and some bacteria also carry out photosynthesis. Please refer to our topic on photosynthesis to know more about this process. When animals eat plants, the solar energy is passed on to them. The solar energy gets passed again when these animals are eaten by other organisms. Photosynthesis and respiration. Photosynthesis is vital for life on Earth. Through this process, plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen, using sunlight as the energy source. This not only provides food for the plants themselves, but also releases oxygen into the atmosphere, which is essential for the survival of many forms of life, including humans. Respiration is a chemical process by which organisms, including plants and animals, obtain energy from the food they consume. During respiration, plants utilize oxygen from the atmosphere, along with the glucose produced through photosynthesis, to release energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water yields glucose plus oxygen. Respiration. Oxygen plus glucose yields water plus carbon dioxide. Plants and insects. Many plants can pollinate only with the help of insects. The insects help the plants to disperse the seeds for reproduction. In insect pollination, the pollen grains are distributed by the insects from one plant to another. Besides bees and butterflies, wasps, flies and moths act as pollinators to transfer the pollen between plants and help them to reproduce. A pollinator helps to carry the pollen from the male part to the female part of the flower.